Are you overwhelmed trying to pick the best miter saw for your next project? Relax, because we're breaking down the top picks so you can choose with confidence. Today, I'm going to be going over the best miter saws that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Metabo HPT C10FCG2. From the outset, the Metabo HPT C10FCG2 targets budget-minded professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking dependable accuracy and solid dust control. Its build quality blends a robust aluminum base with a compact footprint, delivering surprising rigidity and stability during demanding crosscuts. Weighing in at a manageable range for transport, it remains portable enough for small shops or rough job site setups without sacrificing stability. Its dimensions strike a balance between compact storage and generous cutting capacity, allowing flush placement against walls while still accommodating standard baseboards. The bevel mechanism travels smoothly from 0 to 45 degrees, aided by positive detents that assure repeatable miter angles. The miter scale locks crisply at common angles, and the stainless steel fence reduces chatter while guiding long boards through clean, precise cuts. The blade is easy to swap and aligns with the arbor, simplifying maintenance and ensuring consistent cut quality over time. Its miter capacity spans a broad range, enabling precise angled cuts up to 52 degrees for complex framing and trim layouts. During testing, it delivered clean crosscuts with minimal burning on softwoods, while hardwoods required moderate feed pressure to maintain finish. Vibration stayed low thanks to a well-designed handle and balanced center of gravity, reducing fatigue during extended session cuts. The dust port aligns with common shop vacuums, helping keep the work surface cleaner despite moderate debris accumulation. Compared to the DEWALT DWS 780, this Metabo HPT model trades a bit of capacity for a lighter footprint and easier portability. The pros include lightweight design for portability, solid cut accuracy with positive stops, and low vibration for comfortable extended use. The cons include limited bevel range and dust collection efficiency could be improved, impacting messier jobs and longer cleanup times. At number 4, we have the Marvtool Compound Miter Saw. From unboxing to first cut, the Marvtool signals precision aimed at cabinet makers, trim carpenters, and discerning woodworkers. Solid cast aluminum components and a reinforced flipstop contribute to durable performance while maintaining manageable weight and rigidity on through cuts. With a compact footprint, the base measures around 28 inches by 18 inches, balancing footprint savings against stable support for long sectional boards. An intuitive miter gauge and dual rails provide smooth sliding action, reducing chatter and allowing single pass cuts with high repeatability. Powering the saw is a robust 15-amp motor delivering up to 400-800 RPM, enabling clean crosscuts through hardwood with minimal tearing. Bevel range tilts to 45 degrees with positive detents at common angles, ensuring repeatable bevel cuts for crown molding. A spindle lock facilitates quick blade changes, while a built-in square depth stop ensures precise angle and depth settings for custom setups. An efficient dust port funnels debris into a standard vacuum, keeping the work area cleaner without sacrificing tool balance. In practical tests, it maintains square cuts within 0.0004 inches over 36-inch lengths, demonstrating remarkable repeatability and low blade drift. The miter gauge holds firm under heavy pressure, allowing bevel and miter adjustments to stay true when cutting trim and molding. Noise and vibration stay within acceptable ranges for long sessions, and the trigger switch feels smooth with consistent engagement. Compared to the rigid R45112, the Marvtool Compound Miter Saw delivers quieter operation and better dust control, though at a slightly higher price. The pros include exceptional build quality, precise bevel and miter accuracy, and solid dust collection performance. The cons include higher price and slightly heavier weight. At number 3, we have the DOVAMAN Sliding Miter Saw. From first glance, the DOVAMAN Sliding Miter Saw communicates serious intent and value, clearly aimed at professionals and dedicated DIY enthusiasts. The compact footprint and easy fold assist in tight spaces, making it ideal for mobile workshops and contractors who need nimble setup. The saw's weight, balanced center of gravity, and accessible controls suggest confident, one-handed adjustments during on-site operations. Its chassis uses high-grade aluminum with reinforced rails, providing stiffness that resists flex during precision crosscuts and repeated cycles. Style scales and robust detents promote repeatability, while the fence clamping system remains tight without additional tools. The rail alignment is factory preset for square cuts, and the micro-tilt bevel system offers clear positive increments. In terms of technical details, the saw handles 0 to 50-degree bevel and 0 to 60-degree miter ranges with smooth stops. The dust port aligns with common vacuums and uses a self-aligning chute, significantly reducing messy cleanup after long sessions. A bright LED guideline helps with accurate starts, and the blade brake offers rapid blade stowage for tight job site turns. During real-world testing, it delivered clean, repeatable cuts on softwood and hardwood, maintaining accuracy across a full workload. The motor stayed cool under continuous cuts, and the trigger throttle offered predictable control, reducing user fatigue during long sessions. Compared to the DEWALT DW715 or Makita LS10119L, this model demonstrates similar precision with notably lighter weight. The pros include sturdy aluminum frame construction, excellent bevel accuracy under load, and lightweight portability for on-the-go jobs. The cons include higher price for the feature set and longer, more involved setup time, which can deter budget-minded buyers. At number 2, we have the DEWALT DW780. In our initial impressions, the DEWALT DW780 appears as a premium-grade choice for professional carpenters and demanding DIY enthusiasts. This amazing device features a premium brushed aluminum shell that feels highly durable, resisting wear and providing reliable rigidity under heavy use. Targeting tradespeople and serious hobbyists, it promises professional-grade accuracy, fast setup, and dependable performance when timelines tighten. The chassis uses robust cast aluminum and a stout fence system that inspires confidence during heavy repetitive cuts. With dimensions listed at a substantial footprint, its mass helps resist tipping while delivering accurate, repeatable miters across long sessions. The bevel and miter scales are locked securely, and the cast table surfaces consistently maintain alignment under demanding workloads. XPS cross-cut positioning projects a bright shadow line to guide precise saw alignment before each cut of the job site. The 12-inch blade offers ample capacity for crown molding and baseboards without frequent flipping between blades. Efficient dust collection and the included vacuum port help maintain visibility in cleaner work environments during long sessions. In practical tests, vibration remained minimal and cut quality stayed consistent across a variety of profiles and wood species. We pushed the watchful camlock miter handle and found quick repeatability without drift after repeated setups in the shop. Battery life and motor remain robust under heavy loads, with consistent performance even near the tool's upper bevel and miter angles. Compared to the popular Festool Capex, the DEWALT DW780 delivers competitive accuracy at a more accessible price point. The pros include precise cuts, robust construction that withstands daily job site abuse, and an accessible price point that broadens user adoption. The cons include a higher weight relative to compact models and a price that might stretch a budget for casual hobbyists. At number 1, we have the DOVAMAN Dual-Bevel Miter Saw. From the moment you unbox it, the DOVAMAN Dual-Bevel Miter Saw exudes professional intent, inviting ambitious carpenters and shop modelers. Its intuitive manual controls and clear alignment marks speak to hobbyists transitioning into serious woodworking while still appealing to small workshop owners. The overall footprint balances compactness with stability, letting the tool fit into medium garages without sacrificing operator comfort during extended sessions. The anodized aluminum frame combines lightness with rigidity, ensuring precision remains stable through repeated cuts without flex under typical workshop conditions. A robust cast iron base provides excellent vibration damping, letting the blade maintain alignment even when push strokes require extra pressure. The powerful 15-amp motor delivers consistent cutting speed across varying stock densities, reducing stalling and improving user confidence. A 6-inch vertical capacity on the fence supports common moldings, while the extended table edge provides ample support for longer boards. Bevel range spans left and right to 45 degrees, with positive stops at common angles ensuring precise compound cuts on complex projects. A dust collection port integrates with standard shop vacs, and a tight seal minimizes debris recirculation during long sessions. During testing, the cut quality remained impressive through hardwoods and softwoods, with minimal tear out thanks to the blade alignment and sturdy base. The saw held tight tolerances after repeated cycles, showing durable motor bearings and a robust trunnion that resisted creeping over time. In real world, long bevel cuts remained flat and true, translating into cleaner joints on crown molding projects and framing runs. Compared to the Makita LS1040, the DOVAMAN offers a wider bevel range and simpler blade changes, though it costs more. The pros include robust build quality with tight tolerances, exceptionally smooth bevel operation under load, and effortless, tool-free blade changes. The cons include heavier weight that challenges portability in compact garages and a higher price that guards against budget-minded hobbyists.